Fix your black screen problems. A malfunctioning second monitor isn't just annoying. It can cut your productivity in half and cause unnecessary stress during important work or gaming sessions. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly why your second monitor keeps going black and the step-by-step solutions that will get your multi-monitor setup working perfectly again. Is your second monitor randomly going black? This frustrating problem has several potential causes and solutions. When a second monitor keeps going black, it's typically due to one of four issues: loose cable connections, outdated display drivers, power-saving settings, or hardware problems. First, check all physical connections. Ensure both ends of your video cable are firmly connected to your computer and monitor. Try wiggling the connection slightly. If the display flickers, you've found a loose connection. Sometimes simply unplugging and reconnecting the cables solves the problem. If connections are secure, examine your cables for damage. Bent pins or frayed wires can cause intermittent display issues. Try using a different cable or port if available. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers often cause display problems. Open Device Manager on your computer, find your graphics card, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Alternatively, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Power management settings might be turning off your second monitor. Access your power settings and ensure the display isn't set to turn off too quickly. Extend the time or disable this feature entirely to test if it resolves the issue. Check your monitor's refresh rate settings. A mismatch between what your system is sending and what your monitor can handle might cause blackouts. Lower the refresh rate in your display settings to see if stability improves. If your monitor works with other devices but not your computer, the issue might be with your graphics card. Try connecting the monitor to a different port on your computer or test it with another device entirely. For Windows users, try pressing Windows key plus P to access projection settings. Cycle through the different display modes to see if this resolves the issue. Some monitors have built-in troubleshooting. Access your monitor's on-screen menu and look for auto-adjust features or factory reset options. If all else fails, hardware issues might be the culprit. The monitor itself could be failing, or your graphics card might be overheating or malfunctioning. In these cases, professional repair or replacement may be necessary. By systematically working through these troubleshooting steps, you can identify and fix the cause of your second monitor's blackout issues, getting your multi-monitor setup back to full functionality. While troubleshooting your second monitor issues, watch out for these common pitfalls that could waste your time or make the problem worse. Don't assume it's always a hardware failure. Many people rush to replace their monitor when the issue is often something simple like a cable or setting. Always start with the easiest fixes first. Be careful when updating drivers. Always download from official manufacturer websites, not third-party sites that might contain malware. And create a system restore point before making any driver changes. Don't ignore overheating issues. If your graphics card is overheating, simply reconnecting cables won't help. Check that your computer has proper ventilation and that fans are working correctly. Avoid using excessive cable adapters or converters. Each additional connection point creates another potential point of failure. Use direct connections whenever possible. Don't forget to test your monitor with another computer if possible. This simple step can quickly tell you whether the problem is with your monitor or your computer's video output. Now that you understand the causes and solutions for your second monitor blackouts, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start with the simplest fixes like checking connections, then work your way through the more complex solutions. Remember, a properly functioning dual monitor setup can significantly boost your productivity and enhance your computing experience. The time you invest in fixing these issues will pay off every day you use your computer. Thank you for watching this guide to fixing your second monitor blackout issues. Apply these solutions today and enjoy the full potential of your multi-monitor setup without frustrating interruptions.